Hi guys, welcome back to another video where today we're checking out another inno64 special edition model. But before we jump in, make sure to like and subscribe if you are new. Without further ado, let's jump straight in. Like I say, this is another inno64 special edition model. This one being the 09 Racing X inno64 Sunny HAKATORA, which as you can see is the Decepticon. I'm not too sure how to pronounce it, but as you can see, it does also say it comes with the keychain gift included, which you will see, which is very cool. But starting off, you can see the packaging really stands out. You can see it's got the picture of the car on the front, it's got the Advan livery all over, the black and the red, the Decepticon, the 09 Racing, and it's got the Inno X Decepticon and the 09 Racing on the side as well, which again you can just see the standard box with the flap on the front to showcase the model, and as you can see it's easy enough to take out. Coming in the standard sleeve for inno64, you can see that it says the Nissan Sunny HAKATORA 09 Racing #Decepticon, or again I'm not too sure how to pronounce it, so I probably will stop saying it to absolutely butcher it. But you can see the car looks very cool, and it's actually based off a car in real life, just like 99% of these cars are. And like I said, it does also come with the keychain, which as you can see is just taped underneath the bottom, which you will see in a little bit more detail. But now this model was actually the winner of the 2018 Legends Tour Hot Wheels, and it has also got a couple variants available. The first one was in blue, which now is a very rare model from inno64, so I will try and get my hands on it, but I'll be very lucky if I do. And now there is this variant as well, which is the later build of the guy's car, which you can check out on Instagram. I will put a link to his Instagram in the description as well, so if you do want to check that out, I would highly recommend it. But as you can see, the keychain is very cool. It's very well made, and as you can see, it's got the cartoon style of the actual car, which again is very cool. A nice little thing to have with the car, nice little accessory. But as you can see, the actual model itself is very good. Now obviously comparing it to the real car that it's based off, it's actually very close. All the decals are in the exact same place. It's got all the proportions as close as you can get it for a 164 model. Now I will be honest, in pictures I wasn't too keen on this model, but in hand it absolutely is incredible. The colours really pop, and the matte paintwork really stands out. The details are absolutely incredible with the vented bonnet and the fan style wheels, which again are completely spot on. You can see the angled headlights, which again look really cool with the intercooler, and like I say, the wheels are just super detailed. Now just like all inno64 models, it is a screw base, so if you did want to wheel swap it or did want to custom it in any way, you could easily take it apart. Obviously no drilling or anything like that required for these, just a screw, pretty much standard for all of the models I do review. But again, like I say, you can see the 09 Racing in the proper livery, in the proper writing, sorry, and again it is also mirrored on the side, which I did get corrected about, which isn't them being backwards. It's actually a thing that they did used to do back in the day, just so when they look in the mirror it's actually the right way. So my mistake on that one, and thank you for the people who did correct me in the comments. But you can just see the clarity on the decals as well are very good. You can see the shopping list style decal on the rear is very clear, and just the whole model in general is very well done. But with that being said, I am going to wrap the video up here, guys. I know this one has been a little bit shorter than usual, but let me know in the comments which one do you prefer. Do you prefer the longer style with the multiple cars, or do you prefer the shorter style content like this with just the one car review? Let me know down in the comments below. But I am going to wrap the video up here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you are new, and if there's any cars you would like me to see, please do let me know in the comments down below. But like I say, I am going to wrap up here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.